Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your phone number in Wise. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Wise account, and because this is a beginner's tutorial, I don't want to assume that you know how to create an account on Wise. Now the good news is that you can access Wise using any browser of your choice, and for this tutorial I choose to use Chrome. Now once you launch any browser, head over to the top corner where you're going to find the search bar or the middle corner. In your search bar, type wise.com and it's going to take you to the official website. Once you head over to the official website, follow through the on-screen prompts and instructions to create an account. And once you're done creating an account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great experience on Wise. So what is Wise? Wise is an international platform that facilitates transactions, the sending and receiving of money in foreign currencies or international currencies. Wise supports multi-currency payment, and you can even open up multi-currency balances as many as you can. Let's say, for example, you want to accept money in GBP, you want to accept money in USD, you want to accept money in euros. However, or whichever, you can definitely open up all of those balances on Wise and receive money with ease with really fair exchange rates. So now that we know about Wise, let's hop into today's text, which is how to change your phone number in Wise. Now, when you were creating your account, you were asked to add your phone number. Of course, when you were filling out your details, you're asked to enter a phone number and then they send you a verification code. Okay, so I hope you remember all of those processes. And of course, I hope you remember the password that you use to create your Wise account, because for you to change your phone number, then you need to have your password handy. Here's how to change your phone number. Go to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find your name. As you can see, my name in full, it's pretty much like a long name. Click on it and it's going to open up this extended menu. So here you have your membership number, that's mine, and then statements and report. And of course you have settings, you have help center, and you have logout. Of course you have open a business account if you want to open a business account and then switch to it. So top right corner, you're going to find this details. So click on the details button that is just green, and it's going to open up another window. Here you're going to see a lot of things going on. Add account photo if you want to add an account photo to look cool, and then you're going to see like my details, my name, and everything here. So if I want to change this phone number in here, all I just need to do is to click on edit details. Now edit details is going to take me right here. So now all of those boxes are just telling me that I can edit them, but one of the sections is saying, hey, you see, you can edit me, you can edit. All right, so, and that is actually the mobile phone number. Okay, so, and this is pretty much what we want to edit. So the question is why? Why is it that we can edit every other thing here, but we cannot edit this phone number? Let's find out. Now here it says, click here to change your phone number. So click on this hyperlink there, this is here, and let's see where it's going to take us to. We sent you an email with instructions on how to change your number. Tap on the link we sent to this to continue. So here is open Gmail, just like an easier way for me to open my Gmail, for me to check the mail that was sent to me by Wise. All right, so here we go, and this is Wise. I'm just gonna have to open that email. Hello, thank you so much for spelling my name correctly, because I entered it correctly, and it says, you let us know that you want to change your Wise phone number. That's pretty much correct. Next, we'll verify that it is you making this change. Now click this button below to get started, and then change your phone number. If you didn't access to make this change, please feel free to ignore this email. Thanks to Wise team. Now, Wise is really wise. They are very security conscious. They pay attention to every detail of their customer, and they don't want to find anybody hacking your account or whatsoever and then making you to go like health escort, and also they have to send your mail because you have access to your mail. So if you're the one giving the order, you're gonna have to verify the process to show that you are actually the one giving the order and not somebody else, not one fraudulent person or a scammer or a cyber theft, something like that. So go ahead and click on change your phone number. Now here you have some processes. So these are what I call security processes. If you do not go through any of these, all of these security processes, rather than your phone number will not be changed successfully. And what are the processes? Now it says change your phone number. Before you can register your new phone number, a few things are needed, and take a selfie of you holding your passport or ID, have access to your new phone number, and will verify your details and update your phone number. Now this usually takes 10 minutes but can take up to 1 day depending on the verification process. So go ahead and click on continue, and then it's going to open you up to this that says taken in good light, details are in focus, and glare on ID, and then ID is blurry. So as we're here, I do not have an ID. I do not have my ID, and I do not have my passport. So if you do, then come on, why not? If not, go ahead and click on go to selfie upload, and here you have says we only accept a passport, national ID, or driver's license to verify identity. Your selfie must show your full face and ID, and then the first name and the last name on your ID, and a clear ID photo. So ensure that the first name and the last name is what you used in registering for your WISE account. If not, if there is a disparity or there's a difference in the names on your ID and the names on WISE, then you're going to have an issue with the verification. You don't want to go through all of that processes. So now it says front of your ID document, drag and drop a file less than 5 MB. So you're going to have to click on or select file, so you can drag and drop the picture of yourself, the selfie that you took, or click on or select file, and it's going to open up your system's file. All right, so if you have the picture saved here, transfer to your system file, just click on the picture and then click on open if you don't want to drag and drop. So once you've selected the file, then this is going to be enabled to submit, and you'll be able to submit. So I do not have my selfie because I do not have this requirement here. Now once you submit, it's now going to take you to this last part which says phone number. You can now enter your new phone number, and then they're going to send you a code to that phone number so that you can verify the phone number. And once you verify the phone number, then you'll be asked to log into your WISE again with the new phone number, in check. So this is pretty much the process. I'm just gonna have to go back. So the intro, which we have done, and then this step of uploading selfie, ensure that you follow strictly with the on-screen prompt and on-screen information right here, and then head over to phone number and enter your new phone number, verify the phone number using the code. So that's why you need to ensure that you have access to the new phone number, because you'll be sent a code and you'll be asked to verify it. And once you do all of that, I'm going all the way back. Once you do all of that, head over to the account settings and then go over to details again from where, how we started. If you head over to details, you're going to see that your new phone number is now going to be reflected here in this phone. So I couldn't go through the process, so I did not change my phone number. But if you go through all of those processes and then you make through with it and they verify it within 10 minutes to 1 day, that's 10 minutes to 24 hours, you're going to have to wait within that period. And once you do that, it's just going to change. And you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So this is pretty much the process, how you can change your phone number in WISE, following all of those step-by-step processes. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.